The first response that we got from the big, especially Chinese solar module manufacturers was like, why are these two young guys even trying? So we had to really show that it worked.
My name is Michiel Roelofs and I am the co-founder and CEO of Taylor, and we develop and supply electronics and software for the solar industry. It started out as a university project, but together with people from other research institutes, we saw the big potential of the technology. So together with the inventor, Rijn Westerdijk, and myself, we started the company in 2017.
If you look at solar cell technology, I mean, it's like a factor 100 compared to 30 years ago. So I was always interested in big complex technology making huge leaps worldwide. So that's always what interested me, much more than an app solving a small problem in the Netherlands. And what I really like about it is that we can on a single day work together with a solar installer, and then a couple of hours later we're working with a researcher on the university, and a couple of hours later we're working with a multinational making very complex manufacturing technology. And everything is really combined in a single product.
Maar die kan ik ook even naar je op de mail zetten, dat je weet wat daar ongeveer mee is gebeurd.
So I think the biggest challenge that we really face is convincing a multi-billion-dollar industry, especially an industry where it's really about showing tangible proof, which you don't have in the beginning because it's only an idea in your head. The first response that we got from the big, especially Chinese solar module manufacturers was like, why are these two young guys even trying? So we had to really show that it worked. And you have to go to China, you have to go to the States to really show that your technology is touchable. And then slowly people really saw that it became more and more like a real product. If you look at smart solar technology, the United States, I would say, is a leading market. Europe is a good second, but the United States is very significant in that space. And what you also see is that although manufacturing-wise, I would say the majority of solar panels is made in China, but installing it and making it a really good system for people, I would say the United States is really a front runner. Compared to European entrepreneurs, I think United States, they dream a little bigger, and they're much more from the solution side, I would say, and helping people, solving people's problems. So I think having that mentality is something that I find interesting. At the moment we're really fine-tuning the product, but and we want to ship it also in 2021. And it's really about getting everybody ready to launch it big. And that takes a lot of coordination with all the people involved. But it is part of becoming a more mature company. Like, it's really our first revenue. And because we're being part of such a big industry, you can't really start small. But that means that you have to be really ready to take the first step to really go from 0 to 1. So yeah, it's very exciting because this is the only, even after working on it for so many years, you still find things you haven't thought about. So it's very exciting, but also very nerve-wracking at the same time.